Hello everyone, we are here to talk about fantastic method for building public speaking skills while tackling societal issues. It's called the simulation speech. I'm Yuri and this is Georgiana. Let's get into it.
In this method, you'll be divided into small groups, and each group will receive a scenario involving social issues. The goal is to prepare and deliver a speech for a specific role's perspective, like an environmental activist, a government representative, or a journalist.
It's a great way to develop empathy and teamwork while practicing public speaking. Each group gets a scenario, prepares a speech, and then delivers it in front of the others. After the speeches, there is a Q&A session where everyone can ask questions and discuss the topic further.
There are several scenarios to choose from, like the climate crisis, immigration and integration, and economical inequality. Each of one offers a unique perspective and set of roles to play. It's all about exploring different viewpoints and learning how to articulate complex ideas effectively.
Before the simulation, the groups have time to prepare and discuss their roles. Facilitators are here to offer guidance and advice. During the simulation, everyone gets a chance to present their views and interact with the other groups through questions and objections.
If you want to learn more about this method and how to implement it, check out the document linked below. It's all about the details, including preparation trips, group promotion and role description. It's perfect for fostering public speaking skills while engaging with real-world issues.
Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this overview, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friend, and subscribe for more engaging methods and educational content. See you next time.